Falls trailhead. We've never hiked this hike before. We decided to do it this year. It's longer than Grotto Falls and Laurel Falls, which is what we started with when we first came out here, because they're easier hikes. But this one's 2.7 miles both ways, so it's going to be about a 6-mile hike. We're excited. You excited? Now burn these calories?
Yeah.
Gonna burn all that Dollywood Flower and Food Festival calories. Much needed. Wish us luck, everybody. I'm about to get some amazing GoPro footage. Here we are, Rainbow Falls Trailhead, 2.7 miles. If Will and Dawn can do it, we can do it too. Oh, the first part is killer already. Yeah, this is like steep already, but I know it kind of goes up and down, up and down. So let's see what it's like. I know I'll be huffing and puffing. I hear the falls already. We made it. We made it, babe. You can go to Grotto Falls from here too. That's pretty cool, right? You can bust the left right here. You can go to Grotto Falls. Rainbow Falls, 2.6. We already did 0.1 miles. And that wasn't that bad. I'm losing my voice because of lightning rod yesterday. Literally almost killed me. That ride was unbelievable. Alright, well, let's stay on the trail. See what we run into. See if we see some bears. So far from the beginning, it's just straight up. Already winded. It's like the stairway to heaven. I wonder if this is like all the water that comes from the waterfall, you know what I'm saying? Makes me wonder. I'm trying, believe me, I'm trying. This is very steep. Looks like it's a little muddy over here. See any bear paws? Highly doubt it. Maybe out there. Just ran into the biggest millipede I've ever seen. I'm not sure if this video does it any justice because that one's really tiny, but this thing's huge. It's like something from King Kong or something. Skull Island. All right, I'd say, I don't know, maybe we're about halfway through at this point. It seems like we're on top of the mountains because look at this outlook right here. It's amazing, right? Yeah, we're up here. We're up here in elevation because we can actually see the light because it was dark down there. Ain't gonna lie, man, this is one heck of a hike. I don't know how they consider this moderate, maybe because of the length, but it's quite the steep one. Then all of a sudden you're just like, boom, look at that. Unbelievable. Hardest hike I've ever done. I would say we're about halfway there. This is just beautiful. So peaceful, man. Oh, this is so cool. This is the steep one. It's all rocks too. say, hardest hike you've ever done?
Yes.
It's steep, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really steep, guys. Like literally the whole way up. My front thighs are cramping up, my calves, everything. It's quite the experience though. That's me huffing and puffing. I'm gonna have to play some music in this part. I hear a waterfall. I know it ain't Rainbow Falls. This is the one that tricks everyone. I know we're not too far. Oh, it's nice. We made it. We made it to Rainbow Falls. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow.
Yeah.
All right. Be safe going down. We'll
me quita, diablo, que piquete la chamaquita. El corazón lo puso en la nevera.